Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Georgia-Alabama game is probably one of the most anticipated matchups in college football. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of the action, exploring the strategies, the key players, and the moments that define this epic rivalry. Whether you're a die-hard fan or new to the game, this video will give you everything you need to know about the Georgia-Alabama game. Number 5. Masterpieces NCAA Dominoes. Introducing the Masterpieces NCAA Collector Edition Double 6 Dominoes. This is an officially licensed collegiate product. It's perfect for any sports fan. The dominoes come packaged in a collectible tin box with a window. This makes it easy to store and display. It's a great addition to any collection. Inside, you'll find 28 resin dominoes. Each one features a printed team logo. The quality is excellent, ensuring durability for years of play. The set also includes game instructions. This makes it easy to learn and play. It's fun for all ages. This domino set is the perfect game for every sports fan. It's a great way to show team spirit. Get yours today. Masterpieces is an American puzzle and game company. They stand behind their products and your satisfaction. You can trust the quality. What we like. This domino set comes in a collectible tin box, making it a great gift. It's an officially licensed product, so you know it's the real deal. If you are looking for a classic game to enjoy with friends and family while supporting your favorite team, you should consider this. What people say. The video quality was excellent. The stream was very stable and I did not experience any buffering issues. The audio was clear and the commentary was easy to understand. Number 4. Masterpieces Georgia Bulldogs Shake and Score Dice Game. Introducing the Shake and Score Dice Game from Masterpieces, featuring the Georgia Bulldogs. This officially licensed collegiate product is perfect for family fun. The game includes a unique football-shaped dice shaker. It comes with 5 dice, each adorned with the team logo, adding to the excitement. Players roll the dice to achieve various combinations and score points. The goal is to accumulate as many points as possible with each roll. Keep track of your scores with the custom score sheets, also featuring the team logo. It's designed for easy scorekeeping. This travel-friendly game is ideal for road trips. Store the dice and score pad inside the shaker. It's fun for ages 6 and up. What we like. This travel dice game features a unique football-shaped shaker. It's designed to be travel-friendly, perfect for road trips. If you have young children or enjoy family game nights on the go, you should consider this. What people say. The picture quality is excellent. The stream was very stable and I did not experience any buffering. The app is easy to navigate. Number 3. Masterpieces Alabama Crimson Tide Playing Cards and Dice Pack. Get ready for game day with this officially licensed set. It's perfect for adults and families who love the Alabama Crimson Tide. This pack includes 2 decks of poker-sized playing cards. Each deck contains 52 cards and 2 jokers, ready for your next game night. The face cards, jokers, and ace of spades feature custom University of Alabama team designs. This adds a unique touch to the classic card game. Also included are 5 standard-sized dice. This set provides everything you need for various games, from cards to dice games. This is an officially licensed collegiate product. It's a great way to show your support for the Alabama Crimson Tide. What we like. This pack includes 2 decks of playing cards with custom team designs. It also comes with dice for added fun. If you like playing cards and want to show off your team spirit, you should consider this. What people say. This is exactly what is shown. My mother and loves them. Number 2. Masterpieces NCAA Bingo Game. Are you ready for some fun? This game brings the excitement of bingo to your favorite NCAA teams. It's a great way to enjoy game day with friends and family. This bingo game features your favorite NCAA teams. It's perfect for any college sports fan. You can play it during the games or anytime. Gather the family for a fun night of bingo. This game is easy to learn and fun for all ages. It's a great way to spend quality time together. Looking for the perfect gift? This bingo game is a great choice for any sports enthusiast. They will love playing with their favorite team. The rules are simple, making it easy to jump right in. It includes everything you need to play. Get ready to have a blast with this game. What we like. This is a classic bingo game with an NCAA theme. It's officially licensed, so you know it's authentic. If you are looking for a fun game for all ages, you should consider this. What people say. Lots of fun to play. Nice. Number 1. Masterpieces NCAA Unisex Matching Game. This matching game is perfect for any NCAA fan. It's a fun way to test your memory and knowledge of your favorite teams. The game is designed for everyone. Whether you're young or old, male or female, this game is for you. Find the matching pairs of your favorite teams. It's a great way to spend time with family and friends. Looking for a gift? This game is a perfect choice for any NCAA enthusiast. They will love it. Don't miss out on the fun. Get this matching game today and start playing. What we like. This matching game has a unisex design, making it suitable for everyone. It's easy to play, perfect for younger children. If you are looking for a simple and engaging game for kids, you should consider this. What people say. The video quality was excellent. The stream was very stable and I did not experience any buffering issues. The audio was clear and synchronized with the video. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.